Hello Hamster Kombat CEOs. I present to you Hamster Kombat minigame for the 31st day of July 2024. Make sure you watch this video 2 to 3 times before making your first attempt. Today you have a whole 1 minute to solve this puzzle. Now here is the video. The first candle to move is the short green candle at the top right. Slide to the left. Now the two red candles at the right hand side, slide all the way up. Slide the long green candle at the bottom center to the right. Fine. Now the short red candle at the center bottom, slide all the way down. Fine. Now the short green candle at the center, slide to the left. Move the short red candle blocking the key at the front down. Good. Now move the key forward. The short red candle at the top center, slide all the way down. Now move the short green candle at the top center to the left. Fine. Now return the short red candle in front of the key to the top. Good. Now move the key backwards. Fine. Now the short red candle at the bottom right, slide all the way up. Good. Now the short green candle next to the key, slide to the right. Fine. Now move the short red candle at the center bottom upwards. Fine. Now the long green candle at the bottom right, slide to the left. Good. Now the long red candle at the center right, slide all the way down. As you can see, the key can now pass in peace. Make sure you watch this video 2 to 3 times before making your first attempt. It's actually very simple. Good luck.